guys, Akila here from mealprep.asia, and this week I made 3 meals called the pineapple fried rice with chicken. Check it out. Oh my god guys, Happy New Year! The past few weeks, I've just been having lots of eating out. The end of the year, catching up with friends, that my meal prep just sort of, went out of whack. But hey, I am back right here today with a new recipe called the pineapple fried rice. It's amazing, it's tasty, it's also very refreshing, and of course, super healthy. So quick to make this, guys, especially if you already have the rice ready and you don't really need so much time. And the best thing about pineapple fried rice is it really reminds me of those Thai fried rice where you really have, at those Thai restaurants. It's so nice. Okay, it goes well just by itself, and I've added chicken as the protein source in this recipe, so you have a complete meal. And the good thing about brown rice as well is that it makes you feel full, so you shouldn't be craving for other things if you're having this in your daily meals. Super easy to make, the whole family will love it, and I really hope you can give this a try. So if you are ready, grab a piece of paper and pen